Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Webull application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. On the search bar, type in Webull and click on search. Now, find this icon. After that, click on download button. You may need to verify if it is your first time downloading it. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. So that is how you can download Webull application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.